The Prosperity Gospel Trap. Why God Wants You Wealthy, but Not Like That. If you've ever been told that God wants you to drive a Bentley and live in a mansion, or that being a good Christian means staying poor and humble, I have news for you. Both of those teachings are wrong. And I know this because I lived one of those extremes for most of my life, and it nearly destroyed me. I'm Rich Abbott, and this is the Prosperous Steward Podcast, where we cut through the noise and discover what the Bible actually says about wealth, abundance, and financial stewardship. Let me tell you my story real quick, because it matters. I spent 15 years as a pastor in non-denominational churches, Baptist-rooted, conservative, well-meaning congregations. I took what I thought was a biblical approach to ministry. I lived simply. I sacrificed financially.